Hey Sam, what's up? It's Liz here. I've got my two little chihuahuas running around in the background. Hopefully it's not distracting. Since we're talking about love, why not have my little babies here? Because they're all just full of love. So let's get in today's topic. It's all about finding love, the 3-step blueprint to finding yourself after a toxic relationship. I'm Liz. If you're new here, welcome. If you're coming back, thank you so much. Please check out my other videos. They're definitely going to help you on this journey. If you're like, this toxic relationship is draining you, know that you are not alone. There are so many of us out there. We are quiet and nobody is talking about it, but we're here. I've been there. Today, I'm going to share my 3-step blueprint. It helped me so much in finding myself and healing after the toxic relationship. Today, you're going to rediscover how to trust yourself and create a life filled with purpose and joy. We are going to get rid of the confusion, get rid of the pain that you are feeling in this moment. You are not deserving of that. You deserve a beautiful, purpose-filled life. Toxic relationships can strip away our sense of who we are. That is not your true self. You are here to find yourself. It's hard to know where to begin. I hope this video will help you. I promise you can find your way back to you. We're going to cover how to heal, how to reconnect, and how to rebuild your life in a way that feels aligned with who you truly are. You've likely lost that, and we're going to get it back. It's truly possible. I was stuck for 15 years, and I know it's so hard to see that it's possible to be happy again. It really is possible. I watched videos on YouTube, and I was like, who is this woman who has found herself, who has freed herself? I wish I could be that woman. I told myself it was impossible, but it is possible for you. Please, I am nobody special. All of us are so much alike. If you listen to our stories, we have so many similar stories, similar things that have happened to us. And your healing journey, although unique, you are capable of healing as well. And that's step 1, healing. Acknowledge the pain. You need to validate your emotions. Healing starts with giving yourself permission to feel. When you suppress the pain, it only delays your recovery. You truly need to feel what is going on in your mind and your sense of being around you. The problem with today's society is that we often get stuck in thoughts, whether they're societal thoughts, pressures, things like that. We lack going with our intuition. I'm going to have another video coming out shortly about the 4 steps of finding love after becoming influenced by trauma in a toxic relationship. So love, the first step, is going to talk all about your intuition. I made that promise to myself when I left the relationship that I would always go with my gut feeling. So many times I did not listen to my gut feeling when I was in that relationship. And if I had, I would not been stuck for so long. Please acknowledge the pain that you're feeling. Yes, it is real. Those feelings are truly real. They are definitely valid. You are not making them up. They're there. You have to feel those feelings. Validate your emotions, the guilt, the shame, everything that you're feeling right now. It's okay. It will get better. I promise you that. But you have to go through the feelings, the motions of healing. You have to do that in order to heal. So I've got some practical tips from you, and this I have mentioned in my previous video. Please make sure you do check it out. Journaling to process your emotions. You can start with different prompts. And if you guys haven't used ChatGPT yet, you need to get on it. You can literally type in, give me journal prompts to process my emotional healing after a traumatic relationship. It's going to give you those prompts. Here is one you can start with. What did I lose in this relationship? And what can I gain by moving forward? That's a big one, right? What did you lose in this relationship? No matter how short or how long this relationship was, you likely lost a lot. And that's why you're here. You're searching how to heal, how to find yourself afterwards. So you're not feeling yourself. Light attract light. You are here on this video because you are looking to heal and you've lost something there and you want to regain that back. So start by journaling, write it down, get it out on paper. Another tip is to use daily affirmations. These are fabulous. I have 4 daughters and I am always telling them positive affirmations. They are beautiful. They are queen. They are brave. They are smart. My 5-year-old, she tells me every day, shine bright like a diamond. And I just love that. I soak up that energy. So please, you can tell yourself, I am enough. And you can add on to that. I am enough just as I am. So use those daily affirmations. The last tip is the practice of self-compassion. You need to treat yourself kindly. Give yourself the grace. Treat yourself as if you were talking to a good friend. Be gentle with your heart. Now let's get into step 2. Once you begin to heal, it's time to reconnect with that amazing person you are. So step 2 is reconnect. I want you to rediscover what your passions are. I want you to think of who you were, what you lost, and what your actual passions are. What used to light you up? What used to get you excited before you were in this relationship? Maybe it was painting. Maybe it was dancing. Or maybe it was just spending time in nature. Maybe it was something simple as just having a peaceful cup of coffee in the morning and not one where you're being screamed at or you're crying from the 4 a.m. person coming in the door screaming at you. That's what my cup of coffee looked like in the morning. Had to get up for work, but I had just been waking up at 4 a.m. just a couple of hours prior, and it was just crazy. You can create a joy list. List your hobbies, interests, different experiences that you want to explore. I challenge you to try something new each week. Even if it feels unfamiliar or awkward, try something new every week. It's important to reconnect with you. After you are done with step 1, which is healing, reconnecting is powerful. But the real magic happens when you start rebuilding your future. And that is step 3. Step 3 is to rebuild your future. This is where you actually are taking everything you've learned about yourself and use it to create your dream life. You are worthy of a dream life. Please say that out loud. I am worthy of a dream life. You are about to rebuild your future. You have healed, you have reconnected with you, and you are about to rebuild your dream future. How amazing is that? You can get here in this moment today. All right, so this is where you take everything you've learned about yourself, your passions, your hobbies, your hopes, and create it into your dream life. What action steps can you actually take? What can you actually do in this moment today to make your dreams a reality? I want you to start with short-term goals, baby steps, something so minor, something so simple, you can knock it out within a minute or 2. If you're stuck in bed every day and you're sad, just getting up and getting dressed, I want that to be your baby step. Celebrate it because you did it. You've taken that first step, and that is so important. Momentum will happen. Start with these baby steps. They will snowball into something big and greater. I have witnessed it with different people who I have helped along this path, along this journey for my own self. You are 100% worthy. Dog is humping in the back. I don't know if that's allowed on YouTube. Okay, I'm sorry. All right, so make your dreams a reality. I want you to write these down. Write down one goal. Maybe it's for your health, your relationship, or your career. What does that short-term goal look like? Then set a long-term goal. So you've got your short-term goals, you've got a longer-term goal. And even though it's a long-term goal, you're going to separate it into baby steps. Little baby step, little baby wins along the way. Those are so important. Celebrate yourself with those wins. Now, I want you to align your daily actions with your goals. If you want more peace, make time for mindfulness. If you want financial freedom, start creating a budget or exploring some side hustles. It's completely possible. One of the greatest things that I use to create my dreams is to visualize it. I love to do visualization exercises. Close your eyes, act as if you're in the moment, living it. Right now, there's still like 5 inches of snow on the ground from a week ago. I'm over the winter. Not gonna lie, I sat in the window, the sun was shining on me, I closed my eyes and I visualized my dream life. I was on a beach chilling, it was peaceful, it was quiet. I loved it. So technically, I just got back from the beach. Also, just got back from Disney, so I'm wearing my cute little Minnie Mouse shirt. All right, so for me, peace was a huge thing. Another thing for me was fitness. I needed to get fit again. I had lost all of that being in that toxic relationship. He frowned upon me staying fit and active, which is something a narcissist is going to do, because they don't want you to have the clear mind to be able to leave. So super important. I want you to share this journey with other people. I know it's super hard to be open about this, but That was one of the ways that helped me out, was to share my journey with others. And then I realized I wasn't alone. There were other people who had experienced the same thing as me. And thank God I found the strength to open up, because they were like, girl, we're going to help you get out of this. We've been there. This is no way to live. They told me that there was greatness on the other side of this. And now I'm actually living it. They were absolutely correct. I want to reinforce the idea of empowerment for you. It's super important. You are not just surviving, girl. You are thriving. You're creating a future that reflects your worth. You are 100% worthy. So I want to help you implement these steps. I am creating a workshop to guide you on this healing process. I would love for you to be a part of this journey. I became a transformational life coach because I feel a calling. My spirit, the spirits around me, I have a voice in my head that tells me I need to use this experience to help others. At first, I was finding reasoning and why this happened to me. I was given 4 daughters. It's got to be because I need to guide these 4 daughters on this path, but I need my impact to be bigger. I need to help any woman. If I just make one change in one person's life, that's all I could really ask for. If it's you, I would be super excited, super thrilled to help you with that. So please reach out. I have tons of resources that I'm building right now. Let me know what you need. I will build that resource for you. And if you're ready to go deeper, fast track your transformation, I do have a coaching program. I'm happy to share that information with you as well. I will have links below in the description. Other than that, I love you all so much. If you made it to the end of this video, you are awesome. You are amazing. Thank you so much. Please like this video. That way it is thrown out to the YouTube universe that this was helpful to you. There's going to be other women that it would be helpful to as well. I am Liz, the Carrot Cake Crumbles, and you can check out my other video to figure out why this channel is named that. I love you all. You're beautiful. You're amazing. Midnight and Mellow, love you too. Mellow, I know you want some attention too. I hope you guys enjoyed having them in the video. If not, I'll totally have a quiet background next time. Did not expect this. All right, love you all. Take care. Peace.